How do I properly rinse canned crab meat?
Hello, seafood lovers! In this video, we're going to learn how to properly rinse canned crab meat. Canned crab meat is a convenient ingredient for a variety of recipes, but it's crucial to prepare it correctly to enjoy the best possible taste and texture. Rinsing is an essential step, so let's dive right in.
Why should we rinse canned crab meat?
Rinsing canned crab meat is important because it helps remove any residual brine or preservatives from the can, which can otherwise impact the flavor of your dish. Also, it can lower the overall sodium content of your meal, making it a healthier option. So, remember, never skip this essential step when preparing your canned crab meat.
What will we need to rinse canned crab meat?
Rinsing canned crab meat is simple and requires just a few tools. A colander or strainer, a bowl, fresh, cool water. Pro tip: a colander with small holes is best to prevent any of the crab meat from falling through.
How to rinse canned crab meat.
Here's the step-by-step guide to rinse canned crab meat. 1. Open the can. Using a can opener, safely open the canned crab meat. 2. Drain the liquid. Before rinsing, drain the excess liquid from the can into the sink. 3. Transfer to the colander. Gently transfer the canned crab meat into a colander or strainer set over a bowl. 4. Rinse with cool water. Run fresh, cool water over the crab meat until it's thoroughly rinsed. You can gently stir the crab meat with your hand to make sure all of it gets rinsed. 5. Let it drain. Once rinsed, let the crab meat drain for a few minutes. Shake the colander gently to remove excess water. Remember, be gentle during this process, as crab meat can be delicate and break apart easily.
What to do after rinsing?
After rinsing, your crab meat is ready to be used. It's now perfect for adding to your favorite recipes like crab salads, crab cakes, dips, or pasta dishes. Pro tip: if you're not using the crab meat immediately, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator to keep it fresh. And that's how you rinse canned crab meat. Simple, right? By following these steps, you'll ensure that your crab meat is ready to star in whatever dish you have planned. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. Remember, the key to a great meal is in the preparation. Enjoy your cooking, and until next time.